Hello everyone. So this is the network hacking tutorial or this is lecture. I will let you know how the request process from server to our system or our system to server. So everything I will let you know in this lecture. Guys, I have already completed one hacking tutorial that is web hacking tutorial. So if you not see, I will provide a link into the description so you will get my web hacking tutorial playlist. So this is the another playlist that is network hacking. So this in this video I will let you know about the basic thing which I was thinking you have to know about that things, how the our request work on to the server. So in this lecture I will let you know how, like in this not in lecture, in this series I will let you know how you can hack the networks, wi-fi's and other electronic things. So I will let you know in this series. So first we will go through the network, how it is like work. So guys, I have already make a chart for you to better understanding. So let's discuss here. So guys, for example, you have a system. This is system 1, you can see, right? And this is system 2 and this is system 3. So guys, for example, these all are system connected to the router and the router connected to the internet, right? Router may be you can say the access point or whatever. This is the machine. Basically router is a machine which provide the internet, right? So these three system are your internal system here. So for example, if you ping like or you search in address bar google.com, so your request will first go to the router, right? One more thing, the system have own IP and MAC address. MAC address will be uniquely IP also, but IP will be internal. MAC always be unique identity, right? So if you see that I'm not telling about the much more IP and MAC because you will search, you will get multiples example on internet, right? So for example, the this system A1 send the request google.com. So this request first go to the our access point, maybe that can be in your home router. Then router will send the request to the internet, right? Even you like your system is connected with the router on Wi-Fi or through the wire, it doesn't matter, right? So for example, you have connected Wi-Fi and you send the request google.com or whatever you want. So your request will go to first on router with your IP and MAC, right? Then router will send this request to the internet, and router also have a IP, right? Through that IP, router send request to the internet. Now internet will search google.com and whatever your result, it will come to the router, right? On router IP. Now router IP already have your local system IP and MAC address. Router know this request from like from which system sending the request on me, right? So this router know the destination path of this IP. So this router will return the request to the this machine, whatever result in the request or response, right? So for example, you have three machine, you have sent the request google.com, from this machine you have sent the fb.com, from this machine you have twitter.com, whatever. So all these three requests come to the router first, and router will take care about your IP and MAC address. A router will know which request is coming from the system, right? Then all request will go to the internet return the request, and same form it will return onto the local. Let's see the second example, like something that this request send the google.com, this request then will go to the internet, then internet return the response to the router, then router return request to the your local machine, right? So the main thing is these all request, when you are connected to the Wi-Fi, so these all request will be formed in a packet, right? So what we do here, we can capture the packet, right? How we can capture the packet, I will let you know in my upcoming video. So whatever we search or whatever we like, um, this is the router or this is the system. So whatever our system is connected to the router, so those connection also like between travel with the packet. So if we can capture that packet, so like that means we can probably hack the Wi-Fi or your router, right? So I will let you know in my next lecture. So this is basically I try to let you know about the how the request work or how the response come, right? From internet to your local or your local to internet, right? So in my next video, I will let you know about how you can change the MAC. Basically, MAC is the physical which you cannot like normally change MAC address, but I will let you know about in my next lecture. So this is only how the request will travel from server to your local system and your local to server. I will let you know other thing in my upcoming video. So please subscribe my channel. I will let you know about the like with the example of hacking, right? So that's all in this video. Let's see in my next video. Thank you.